Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to make a huge update, guys, on AMC. We had some very interesting price action movement yesterday. We also had some news. So we're gonna have a look at everything and we're gonna try to see what impact this could have on the future price action. Let's get into it. All right, so I think it's a big day, guys. So where should I start? Okay, daily time frame. I think you guys all saw that, but I'm just gonna do it very quickly again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think we're doing a fifth wave that will go to 130 roughly. This is my level. So in this fifth wave, we're trying to find 5 waves as well. I mean, this is the ELLIOTT wave theory little game, and here it's pretty obvious. First wave here. Second wave a bit longer than, deeper than expected. And this looks to me like the beginning of the third wave. So I'm gonna stay for now on the daily time frame. Like I told you guys on Discord the day before, we had here a little bullish engulfing. So why I call it little? Because usually those bullish engulfings, they're powerful whenever they are at the bottom of a downtrend. Here, the downtrend was rather here. So by the way, this is a very nice bullish engulfing. Ho ho. Okay, so I think I have spoken about this one as well. This one was here also breaking out. So here we have here a beautiful one that is going to impact the future price action. So I think that this is what we're seeing. And here we have a small one. So once again, bullish engulfing is whenever we open below yesterday's close. So here we closed at 36.8 and we opened at 35.7. So below, and we closed above yesterday open. I mean, 2 days ago open. So this was, I think, bullish signal that got followed by a massive move up. Technically, we are bullish. We are above the 50 and 20-day moving averages. The last time, guys, this happened was here. All right, here we broke above the 20 and then above the 50, and we had this whole move up that went to the 52 area. So it looks to me like this is what is going to happen. But let me analyze a bit further. If you check the news, you're gonna find that we have an increase of direct registration accounts. So if I check at the news, we have some interesting information. In recent days, an increasing number of retail investors have swapped their torches, pitchforks, and TD Ameritrade accounts for direct registration platforms like computer share CPU, blah, blah, blah. So what does it mean? It means that right now investors can directly own their share. So they physically own it, which means they can agree or not to lend it. When before, I mean, still right now, but whenever you trade through Robinhood or whatever broker, those guys, they're going to keep your shares on their accounts and they're going to lend it to short sellers for a fee that we call the repo rate. So this vicious circle can keep happening. But if all the apes physically hold their shares and they don't lend it, short sellers are gonna run short of shares to sell. So this is very positive, and I think that this, together associated with the bullish engulfing, gave us the power we needed to break here. So what may we expect from now? I would like to remind you guys that covering the stock for almost 1 year, and I would like to remind you where I was really bullish. So basically, when did I start? I started to cover it here. So I was here very bullish the whole way up. Okay, let's be honest. Here I was bullish and then we got rejected. But then here, guys, you can check my videos. I was saying for a few weeks, AMC will go to 35, 35, 35. I was repeating that. Once we reached that, I immediately said we're going to go to 65 and then correct to 37. All right. So basically I was bullish here. Then here I was neutral bearish. I was bullish at the beginning. I was hoping we go right away to 135, which didn't happen. And then here we had a lot of bearish signals. So I gave you that, guys. And then what happened? We had here one fake out. Okay, I was in this fake out. I was, of course, calling for a strong move up at that time. So it was here, guys. But then quickly it was not looking great. And I told you as well that roughly when we were below 36, 37. And second time I called for a strong move up was here, guys. And this one worked very well. and we broke out, we retested the level, and then we moved higher. We completed 5 waves. Then once we were there, I told you guys, and you can check my videos, even if the thumbnail are always very bullish, because this is how this game works, this YouTube game. But if you check inside the video what I'm saying, I was here telling you that it would probably correct, and I was targeting 38. We went slightly below, and here for the past 2 weeks, I'm calling again for a strong move up. Why? Because it looks to me that right now we have completed this correction and we are going higher. So I'm calling for it, and this is the confirmation to me that we are heading in the right direction. So what I'm just would like to show you guys here is that usually when those signals happen, so let's say they happened 5 times in the past, they were positive. So we had 2 fake outs, all right? But all the other times it was positive, and it gave us the reactions we were waiting for. So here, what we can do is check how much gamma we have, because you guys know that today is an expiry day. So let's check. And I have checked that already, okay, but I'm gonna do it with you again. But I know what I'm gonna find is that the 40 and the 45 strikes on the October maturity are huge, all right? So first thing here, guys, the breakdown, the breakdown of the option market by strike. You can see the huge amount of shares we have at the 145 strikes, so 16 million. So it's basically roughly the same. What I'm looking at, guys, is the maximum synthetic short. So right now we are at 20%. So we were at 20, 25. So we're roughly where we usually are. But what is interesting is to see here, okay? So the 40 strike is full, okay? And where is it coming from? It's coming from here mostly, all right? You see the biggest position, okay, Jan 22 as well, but we have a lot of 40 strikes coming from October, which is tomorrow, guys, I mean today. So this is gonna give us a lot of gamma, okay, guys? And as you can see, it is not small at all compared to the biggest one we have. So it's really big. And if AMC starts to move higher, there's gonna be this bullish momentum being at play. So for all these reasons, technically, we have a breakout, okay, a short-term breakout here. So first reason to be bullish with the bullish engulfing. So this is going to give us some energy for the coming 2 weeks. We didn't really see it, but right now we have a smaller bullish engulfing. We close above the 20 and 50-day moving average, which last time it happened triggered a strong move up. We have the option expiry today, and we have this positive news. So we have everything, to me, that is pointing to one direction, is that we are going to have some massive moves up come. So let's see, let's find out if we manage to keep control this time, if bears are not just reloading. Let's see, everything can happen, but I'm very positive for the coming day and the coming weeks. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.